Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got to put a new belt on the stump grinder. So I've never did one before, but I'm fixing to do one. I've did one on other vehicles and a lot, but I ain't never did one on this one. I'm sure it's the same. I was hoping this where you unloosen this and it slid back, and then you pull it with a pry bar and tighten it up, but it ain't. So I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. So guys, there's a screw right there, a bolt right there. So I'm loosening it up enough to roll that way. And it should be able to get that off, or not get it off, but pry it over. Nope. What?
You want a pancake?
Well, I did have a biscuit.
Daddy, there's a dog.
Yeah, there's a dog going.
What kind of dog is that?
I don't know. All right, you two, I'm done with that one. And that one was a pain in the butt to do. It was hard to get to. Also got to put a filter in this. Golly. I put the belt on there. Now I'm going to put the new filter. I done had it loose already to go get the filter. And now I'm going to take it back loose and put the new one in. All right, so these are what the new ones, this one's the new one and this one's the old one. So if you're curious, the part number is S45E10C. There you go. So now, let me, and you just screw this off right here. I wished I'd, guys, I wish I'd, oh boy, here comes trouble. Here comes my boy.
Hey.
Hey.
When are you gonna go to
As soon as I get this done, I gotta.
So, when probably?
I don't know, 30, 45 minutes. Oh my God.
I wanted to go fishing.
Yeah, well, there goes that. I thought I got all the fluid out of it, but apparently when I put that cover back on, I guess it dripped some more in there. I'm sure they make a wrench for this, but I don't have one. So I'm gonna use what I got.